Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check the AirPods Pro battery and case LED, and confirm your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID with Find My Active. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and the devices are within about 10 meters. Proximity matters for initial detection. If you used another Apple device, switch to the one with your main Apple ID. These steps rule out power, account, and range issues before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you remove any stale connection data. First, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings on every device they were paired with. Lingering pairings can hide location info. Then reset the AirPods Pro by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white. This clears internal settings. After reset, place the case near your iPhone, open the lid, and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. This sequence refreshes their identity in Find My and often restores location reporting. Finish by validating in the Find My app. Open Devices, select your AirPods Pro, and use Play Sound or Get Directions to confirm presence. Make sure your iPhone iOS and the AirPods firmware are up to date because software mismatches can break location sharing. If location remains missing, try pairing with a different Apple ID to isolate account issues or log diagnostics for Apple support. If all else fails, contact Apple. They can check hardware or activation lock problems and advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.